night. I heard this from my neighbor who sleeps with a knife. He once had a daughter, she was about your size. I heard she went to war and when shots saw the light.
I've seen the light as well. It shines through my country, and so I feel compelled to hold my conscience to what the Bible tells. And all I know is I don't want to go to hell. And peace and love and freedom are worth a bullet welt. I learned this from my father who lived and who fell. He once took the oath before his flag had knelt. He died in the war and no remorse was felt. Righteous thoughts are needed for living righteous lives. This I can be sure of, I hope you'll see the light. Greetings, good stranger, you seem very kind, but I have learned from the soldier's plight. Righteous thoughts are needed for living righteous lives. This I can be sure of, I hope you'll see the light.